Your iPhone has one feature that can literally save you hours of typing, and most people completely forget about it. Look at this. Instead of typing with your fingers like this, just tap this tiny microphone icon on the keyboard, and now whatever you say, your iPhone writes it down for you automatically. This feature is called Dictation, and honestly, it is one of the most underrated iPhone features ever. It works in Messages, Notes, Safari, Instagram, TikTok, Search, basically almost anywhere you use the keyboard on your iPhone or iPad. And yes, this feature supports many different languages, not only English, so you can use it in Arabic, Kurdish, French, Spanish, German, Turkish, and many more depending on your iPhone's keyboard languages. But if you don't see the microphone icon on your keyboard, here is how to enable it. Go to the settings, then tap on General, then Keyboard. Now scroll all the way down until you find Dictation, and make sure Enable Dictation is turned on. Once you turn it on, the microphone icon will appear on your keyboard. Now, whenever you're too lazy to type something long, or your fingers are tired, or you just want to reply faster, just tap the mic and start talking. This is basically useful when you want to write something really long and you don't feel like typing everything manually. And honestly, once you start using this feature, it's hard to stop. So if you've never used this feature before, trust me, start using it today. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with another iPhone user who probably forgot this feature exists.